Before we show you some charts, reports, or dashboards, we would like to introduce you to 7 visual design rules that we have consistently applied throughout. Rule 1. Each page features a title in the upper left corner that identifies the content being presented. The title consists of 3 lines. The first line indicates who is being shown, for example, the reporting entity. The second line states what is being shown, such as the business measure and its unit of measurement. The third line specifies when this took place or will take place. Here it is the time period and, if applicable, whether it refers to actual or planned data. Rule 2. If the presentation involves a time series, it is consistently displayed horizontally from left to right. For example, for a monthly view of 2024's last quarter, the timeline appears as a horizontal axis of 3 months. Rule 3. Actual data, planned data, expected data, like forecast, and previous periods, like prior year, referred to as scenarios, are represented differently but always in the same format. Actual data, solid. Planned data, outlined. Forecast, hatched. Prior year, lighter shade of solid. For instance, entirely actual data would appear solid. Here, for December, there is no actual data yet, so December column is hatched and it shows forecast. This is compared to the plan, shown as outlined. Rule 4. All elements are labeled as closely as possible. There are no external legend boxes nor value axes. Numbers are placed directly on the bars, columns, or lines. Data series are labeled exactly where they appear. Rule 5. Variances are displayed in green and red. In a dynamic dashboard environment, we would offer a bluish-green for viewers with red-green deficiency. Absolute variances are represented as green and red columns or bars. Relative variances are consistently displayed as pins. The scenario, actual, plan, forecast can be identified by the fill pattern of the pin head. Rule 6. You can trust that the scales have not been manipulated. All value axes start at 0 and are not truncated. Same with columns and bars. If 2 charts use the same units, for example, millions of US dollars, both charts will use the same scale. Rule 7. When something is highlighted in a chart, the same marking is always used. If a label is to be emphasized, it will be framed by a blue ellipse. Changes are highlighted with difference markers. This way, you get a consistent visual design, where elements with the same meaning always look the same. We hope you find this consistency helpful and wish you success in understanding the reports and answering any related questions.